Stop wasting your time and hard-earned money on those cheap, ineffective guide kits, and instead transform your Centauro bandsaw and upgrade your production with Sawblade.com's quality aftermarket guide kit. I'm product specialist Celeste here with the Centauro 500 guide kit. This is an easy-to-use, economical solution that will help you improve your performance, increase your blade longevity, lengthen machine life, and produce straighter, faster cuts. This rugged and durable kit offers a drastic improvement compared to factory blade guides, and it's perfect for general woodwork and resawing. The CC20 kit comes with 2 micro-precision CP30 guides that are fully adjustable to allow for unmatched accuracy in a variety of band widths. This heavy-duty kit is adjustable for blades ranging from 1/8 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch and comes complete with the proper mounting hardware, lower and upper CP guide blocks, and precision bearings. Sawblade.com is your one-stop shop for all of your Centauro aftermarket needs. We have an extensive inventory for parts such as wheels, pulleys, tension springs, and much more. To further assist you in enhancing your cutting performance, please check out our quality American-made bandsaw blades. Our blades are made to order in any length, width, or tooth set. And because we don't have distributors or outside salesmen, you get factory direct pricing. We take pride in our work and stand behind our blades with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. You can shop with confidence knowing you're getting the best deal. Thanks for watching. And for more informational videos, product overviews, and tech tips, please check out Sawblade.tv. I'm Celeste, product specialist with Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.